Hello everybody! Today we are making our very own vegan feta cheese. And this is one of my favorite recipes. I've tried it a few times and it's super easy to make. It's absolutely delicious. It's firm, it crumbles, and it's perfect to add to your salad or on top of your pasta. If your almonds aren't soaked already, you will need to soak them for at least 8 hours. I usually just soak them overnight. So let's start. For this recipe, you will need almonds, agar powder, and it's important that it's powder and not flakes, salt, citric acid, and water. For the marinade, we are going to use apple cider vinegar, olive oil, water, nutritional yeast, salt, garlic powder, and some herbs. And now that the almonds are soaked and peeled, let's add all of the ingredients for the cheese to a high-speed blender or a food processor. Blend until the batter is smooth. This will usually take a couple of minutes. The best thing about this recipe is that you can keep this feta cheese in the fridge for up to 2 weeks. So you can easily add it to your salad, on top of your pasta dishes, or to your falafel plate, without having to worry about it turning bad in just a few days. When your batter is smooth, pour it into a pot and slowly heat to 60 degrees Celsius or 140 degrees Fahrenheit. It's important that you stir continuously to prevent it from burning or just thickening in the bottom. As you can see, it thickens pretty fast. When it reaches 60 degrees, pour it into a flat tray and set aside in the fridge to set for about an hour. While we are waiting for the cheese to set, we will make the marinade. You just mix all of the ingredients for the marinade in a bowl. This time I used chives, basil, and dill, but you can use whatever herbs you like or have at home. I thought I had made enough marinade here, but this is obviously way too little, so I ended up making some more. But the amount in the recipe below should be enough for you. When the feta cheese has set, cut into smaller pieces and add to the jar with marinade. And now you'll want to leave it for about 2 to 3 hours before eating it to let it soak up some extra flavor from the marinade. And that's it, guys! If you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a like and leave a comment below telling me what kind of recipe you would like to see here in the future.